This car up.
Go ahead.
Just wait right here for me, all right?
Yeah, I'm good.
You all right?
Okay, yeah, that's fine. Any weapons or anything in here?
Oh, no, sir, no.
Okay.
I'm just trying to help them take this here because we're homeless and this is what it is.
Okay. That's good. You're good, man.
Hello, how are you?
Registration, I guess?
All right.
Yep.
So who's been drinking in the car? Just you? Have you been drinking at all? Nothing.
I'm just bringing them up the road because
All
they
right.
said we can go to stores.
Can I have you put the cigarette out? Can I have you just step out for real quick?
Yes, sir, yeah.
I want to make sure you're good to go, and I'll get you on your way.
Yes, sir, yeah, thank you.
All right.
Yeah, well, I'm trying to get the insurance, though.
No worries on that. Go ahead, just set that phone on the driver's seat. All right, and then go ahead and put your cigarette out for me.
You want any of my insurance stuff, too?
Nope, don't worry about that. All right. All right, we'll walk back to the second car, all right? So no alcohol at all for you tonight?
No, I mean, I had to drink way earlier, a couple hours ago.
But what time was that?
3, 4, 2 o'clock, whatever it was. Yeah, I'm just setting these people
out,
out, dude.
Yeah, no worries. All right, what I want you to do, we'll step down here.
Yeah.
Go ahead, I'll have you face me this way just so we're not looking that way. Go ahead, turn your hat around backwards for me.
Okay.
What's your name?
James Gardiner.
Go ahead, stand with your feet together, hands down by your sides. Face me. Face me. Turn
Okay,
all. Yep. All right. Do you have any head or eye conditions? No. All right. Any prescription medication usage?
No.
Any illegal drug usage?
No.
Any marijuana usage?
Recreational, yes.
All right. When's the last time you used marijuana?
Actually, I haven't smoked for a few days.
Few days? Okay. Are you wearing contacts?
No.
All right. Let's see. Can you see this green light?
Yes, sir.
What I want you to do is keep your head still, follow your eyes, and your eyes only with the green light, all right? Do you normally have 2 different pupil sizes?
I guess, I don't know.
Just keep it still for me. Ah, there we go. Now the left eye was just a little...
They better now?
Yep.
I do get a twitch on this side.
Okay, yeah, no, your left
Yes,
eye was
sir,
just a little squinting a little bit. All right. Just keep your head still, follow that with your eyes and your eyes only, all right? Keep your head still for me, okay?
Oh, head still, okay.
Yeah. Keep your head still, keep your body still, right?
Yes, sir.
Yep, keep your head still. If it helps, put your hands like this. Just put your hands like that. Yep, just to help keep your head still, all right?
Am I doing it right?
Yeah, you're still moving your head a little bit. All right.
Supposed to be washing hands.
Yeah.
Trying to hypnotize me?
No, we're almost done. Almost done.
Yes, sir.
So how much did you have to drink earlier?
I just had a couple of drinks, dude. But it's hours ago, man.
About what
I told you 2 or 3, man. I mean, I went and ate, we went pizza. These people like these people, they're homeless. I'm talking about. They're just trying to be nice, be a nice guy, dude. And fucking, they're going. She said it was going 70. I'm like, what? Going 70?
Where'd you guys? You said you had pizza?
Yeah, we had pizza at the right across over by Bash. It was $27 one game.
Okay, that's not too bad. I'd like to run you through a couple more tests. Do you have any condition that would prevent you from walking, turning, or balancing on one leg?
Shouldn't.
No, shouldn't.
Outside the mountain out here.
Yeah, we'll go up here, though, okay? I'm gonna have this car up.
Go ahead.
Just wait right here for me, all right?
Yeah, I'm good.
You all right? Up. roll medical, so I passed out.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, buddy. You turned over? I got to the back of my car.
Let's go to Trail Hand though.
Back his car.
Go ahead.
Can you unlock your car, please? I got it.
We're going to roll medical.
61, roll medical, QRC. We have,
Hey, buddy.
Hey, buddy. 6-4. If you can fire now, he's bleeding from his nose. He hit his head pretty good. Careful, I'm getting hurt now. He's still unresponsive.
Have a pulse?
Yeah, he was smart for a second. So. Yep.
Do you hear me, James? He smacked the ground once.
Yeah.
Also urinated.
Yeah, he was a little small, but
Guy in the back.
he what?
Yes.
Yeah. I'll push Narcan just in case.
Yeah. Keep your eyes on those two in the truck.
Hey, you
One
alright?
in the bed, one in the cab. I'm just gonna have them step out. Hey man, so you're, what's his name? Yeah, driver. James. So James just totally passed out, like 100% full on, just fell over. You guys aren't in any trouble, but just because we're going to be dealing with that for a minute, would you mind just stepping out for a second? Hello, sir. I'm not sure if you heard me. Did you hear what I was saying? Yeah, so James just totally passed out, like
Just now?
totally fell over. So you guys aren't in any trouble, but we are going to be dealing with that for a second. So would you mind stepping? I guess they were just talking, and then all of a sudden just full on fell over. So has he been using tonight?
No.
At this, guys, let me tell you, at this point, it's not a matter of police, it's a matter of his medical well-being and life, right?
Yeah.
So if he has been using, it's good for us to know so that they can take care of it.
Yeah.
I know you guys, I know you have used in the past. Like I said, this is not a police-related thing, this is his life we're talking about. So if he's been using, or if you guys have been using tonight, now is the time to let us know.
If he did or not.
You don't know? If he, what's his drug of choice? Is it fentanyl?
Long time ago, yeah.
Long time ago? What has he been using recently? And again, guys, I need to know for his, you know.
I don't know.
You're not sure?
No.
Okay. Is it M30s, the blues? Not sure?
Not sure.